Fingers like pushing the screen down.
No, I wasn't pushing the string. I wasn't pushing the
I saw your fingers right there.
Then why are you acting like a knucklehead not opening the door?
Actually, I was in the bathroom. When you said open the door, I was actually coming towards the door. I was not. I knew Torres was coming. Torres already told me this.
Don't give me attitude like you knew it was happening and then be a knucklehead and not open the door. We could have saved all this.
Yeah, that's why I came out. I'm like, what? There's nothing around.
You got 2 shorts on?
Yes, sir.
And you got pockets in his second shorts on?
Didn't need to happen this way, man.
Yeah, that's why I walked down.
Okay, you can call me.
There's nothing that's so smart. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. All that forcing, pushing the door shit.
Hey, you know what? You got nothing to say right now, man. You got nothing. Dude, you're still standing here looking at it like it ain't your play. It ain't your fault.
What?
This is all on you.
I was in the bathroom.
This is all on you.
I went to the door.
Even her pushing the door closed is on you.
You were at the back. You were at the back window.
It's on you because the way you
Yeah, that's what Mike did.
It's done.
Let's go. Yeah, that's what you done.
Do.
Here you go.
It's all right. It's all right.
We couldn't find you. The one who dropped.
Yeah, that's what I said.